In today's video, I'm going to teach you about a major change in Facebook ads location targeting and show you how to fix it efficiently. If you've been navigating the world of Facebook advertising, you might have noticed a significant change in the location targeting features. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a straightforward process to not only adapt, but also improve your ad targeting strategy. First, let's head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. You can simply search for it on Google or navigate directly if you have the link saved in your bookmarks. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Go to Ads Manager. If you're not yet signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and fill those details in, then click on the Login button to access your ads dashboard. Now that you're in, let's look at your campaigns dashboard. You'll find this section on the left-hand side of your screen. It's an integral part of managing your ongoing campaigns and any new ones you might plan to launch. From there, the next move is to navigate to the Audiences section. This is a crucial step because it's where we address the changes in location targeting. Within the Audiences page, locate the Saved Audience area. This section will help us create a new targeting group that compensates for any features that might have been removed. Click on Create a Saved Audience. Here, you'll be prompted to type in a name for your new audience group. Be sure to choose a descriptive name that makes it easy to identify later, especially if you're managing multiple campaigns. Once you've named your audience, focus on the location setting. You'll see options to include or exclude audiences based on their geographical location. Use this feature to refine who sees your ads. Set your audience to either be included in your targeting parameters or excluded, depending on your campaign goals. For instance, if you want to target only specific regions, make sure those regions are included in your audience listings. After you've carefully set your inclusion or exclusion criteria, the final step is straightforward. Click on Create Saved Audience. By doing this, you've effectively remedied any issues caused by the feature removal and established a clearer, more efficient targeting system. With these steps, you should now have a comprehensive understanding of how to handle changes in Facebook ads location targeting. Remember, these adaptations may seem daunting at first, but they offer you the opportunity to refine your approach and ensure your ads reach the most relevant audiences. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.